I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to unbox and assemble the Golden Easy Slim. This is the PR750, so stay tuned. I have here the PR750 by Golden Technologies. This is the new Easy Slim that's available in the market now. This chair is meant to be kind of a crossover between their 4-zone ultra comfortable power chairs, but at an affordable price. It's got a slimmer profile, should fit in your house a little bit better. So this is the Easy Slim PR750. If you're interested in this product, check the links in the description. I will have this linked for any pricing or if you want to order any of these or just more information. I also will have a full review and a short review on this chair, so also check those out as well. So to begin, the chair is going to be shipped like this on a pallet through freight. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my knife and we're going to carefully cut these straps that are holding it onto the pallet. From here, I can go ahead and take the lid off. Then these 4 sides actually should just lift straight up as well. There's some packing material on the side. But all in all, these lift chairs don't require too much assembly. You will have to put the back on, but they're pretty much all wired and ready to go. You just have to plug in the wires and slide the back on. So here is our back. Just move that out of the way. This is our backrest right here. I'm going to set this to the side. Then this is our main base. So the bases on these are actually not too heavy, so you could attempt to slide it off by yourself, just kind of picking up one side and shimmying it. I would recommend the second person for this though, just because it's kind of a bigger, bulkier object, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Like I said earlier, I recommend 2 people to get this out just because it's a larger object, so we're just going to pick this up and bring it forward off the pallet. Thank you. Luckily, they're not too heavy, they're just kind of bulky, so that's the easiest way to prevent damaging your product. Now I'm going to take a moment, I'm going to clean up all of this packing material and we will get to assembling our chair. I've got a lot of the packing material out of the way now. I do want to go over in the right-hand pocket. The chair turned backwards so you can see what I'm doing back here, but in the right-hand pocket over here, you're going to have your owner's manual. Keep in mind these are universal, they're not specifically tailored to your chair. So this unboxing video will be the most comprehensive unboxing of this exact unit. And the right hand side as well is our remote control. This is wired from the factory. So you don't have to wire this, you don't have to plug this in, it's ready to go just like this. Now if you are left-handed, you can request that when purchasing this unit and we can have them run it left-handed from the factory. All Golden chairs are hand-built in the factory. So if you want it left-handed, let us know. We will let the manufacturer know. They will get it left-handed when it arrives to your door. Also in here is this little plastic thing. This is actually a remote holder. So on whichever side your remote control is, this is a little remote holder. There's a little bracket right here and it just slides right on. Clicks in place and then you can just set your remote in there. So that's your little remote holder. Back here, I'm going to get my knife. We have zip tied to the frame is our charger. It is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the zip tie carefully. Be sure to cut away from your chair. That is not covered under warranty if you slice it open with a knife. So here's your charger. So this charger has a battery backup, which is a really nice feature to have. So this is your battery, this is your charger. This just slides in, make sure the electronic connecting ports are lined up. Clicks into place. And then this end goes to the other side of the charger. I will show you how to hook up all of the cables in a second once we get the back on. So I'm going to set this to the side for now. Next, we're going to put the back on the chair. The back has two little sliders. They're going to slide right onto here on both sides. I recommend a second person to do this. So now we're going to attach the back onto the unit. There's two sliders on the side, and they're going to slide right into here, and it should click into place. I recommend a second person for this. Oh, no, I'm not. So once it's lined up, it should click into place. And then now we're going to take the time and go underneath and connect our wires. Now we're going to go ahead and collect all of our electronics. Just remember, when you're pushing the back down, you should hear an audible click. If it doesn't go down the first time, you might have to slide it up. Not all the way off, but slide it up and then push down again. You should hear a click. And when you pull up on the chair, it should not come loose. There's these two little tabs that hold it into place, that click into place. So now for the electronics, I'm going to start with our power supply. This is our power supply with our battery backup. Here's your battery. Again, it just slides into here, so you put this about midway. And then slide it. And it connects into place. Your power supply is hooked up right here. So you can cut this if you need more room. Try to not cut the cable, but it does plug in underneath here. This is what it looks like. So one end goes into here. It only goes a certain way. Once it's plugged in, you'll close this tab. It locks into place. The other end goes into your wall. I actually do recommend doing this underneath, just to give you a little more clearance. That was just so you could see what it looked like. And the other end goes into your wall. This battery backup is nice, so if there is a power outage, you can at least move the chair a little bit to get out of it, so you're not stuck in some reclined position. You can't get out of the chair if there's no power. So that's what this is for. Now the second thing is we have these two cables, our red and black cable, and then coming from the top here is our red and black cable as well. Do check, make sure they're not tucked under somewhere. Mine were really hidden, like way up front, so I had to crawl under and look for them. They should be sitting kind of loose back here, but if you don't see them, just look around. They could be a little hidden like mine were. But they are color coded, so just like our power supply, red goes to red. They only go one direction. Then you close this, black goes to black. And these are the same cable, so these red and black are connected to the same one. Don't plug your black one into your power supply down here. This is a different one. So the red and black should be connected like that. So now your chair is hooked up, and you can let your back down. It just velcros into place at the bottom. Now I have the chair hooked up and plugged in. You can see the remote control is lit up. That means the chair is working. And as you can see, it's tilting forward like it should. I'm going to take a quick moment to do a basic rundown of the remote control, and then your chair will be fully assembled. Here's your remote control. Just a quick rundown of the buttons. Rise is your tilt forward. Recline will tilt your headrest and your leg rest back. These four are memory functions. These are preset from the factory, but you can change them with the memory button. So it has a preset TV watching mode. You'll just hold that down and your chair will go to that mode. It's got a sleep mode, which is full recline, zero gravity mode, and then home mode, which I believe is just sitting. But you can program those with the memory. I do have a video on how to do that. This is independent control of your backrest. This is independent control of your leg rest. And then this is control of your headrest, which, since this is a 4-position chair, you do have position 3 and 4, which is your headrest, and you have a lumbar support as well. That's another unique thing about this chair, is it's a 4-position lift chair that's relatively bare bones, not a lot of features, so you get a lot of positions for a pretty decent price. This has been the unboxing and assembly of the Golden PR750. This is the Easy Slim Lift Recliner. I like this recliner a lot. This is the Sparrow fabric. They also have a dusk fabric, and of course, like other Golden recliners, there should be other upcharge fabrics that you can get for this unit, but by default, I think this looks really good. Looks very well made. So this is a pretty simple chair that doesn't have a lot of fancy bells and whistles, but it has 4 comfort zones, which gives you the independent control of your backrest and leg rest, your headrest, and your lumbar for a pretty good price. So no frills. This is a great chair, great option if you want something that has the most bang for your buck. So again, this is the PR750. If you're interested in that, check the link in the description. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Or if you have any questions, give us a call or visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.